Today I'm going to show you how to make little cone bird feeders, and this is what they look like. I've tied this one in our apple tree and hopefully it's going to bring in lots of birds. Today I'm making some little natural fat ball feeders for the birds. It's January, it's pretty cold out there, and it's just a good time to help the birds by giving them that little bit of extra fat and food to get through the winter, especially if there's snow on the ground. So first thing, you'll need some just general bird food and then some lard. This is very cheap. You'll also need some string and some cones. I collected these from my local park. I've got a really big one here as well. So you'll also need spatula and a fork. So what you need to do is just open up your lard. You can hear my little dogs in the background barking away. Now I have left this out of the fridge all morning just so it softens up naturally. There we go. Now if yours is still a bit hard, you can just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So I'll go and do that now. Okay, I put that in for 30 seconds and it's not made a massive difference, but it is a little bit softer. So next thing, sprinkle in your bird seed and then just mash it all together. Probably going to need some more bird seed in there. Okay, my bird seed's got a lot of mealworms in as well. And obviously different bird feeders, different bird food probably have different things in. I could also put some oats and things in there for them. There we go. That's looking like I need a bit more food in, to be honest, but it's mixing really well. I've also just got a bit of muesli and oats sort of mix, and I'm going to pop that in as well. There we go. I think they're going to really love this. Yeah, that's looking a lot better now. I'm just going to keep mixing this. Okay, there you go. It's all fully combined. That's what it looks. I'll come a bit closer, you can see what it looks like. There, it's all covered in the fat. So now we're just going to take our cones. I'm going to tie a little bit of string around the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just tie this around the top of your cone. If you can see, I've just gone round the top of the cone there. I'm going to tie a double knot. There we go. So it's looking like that at the moment. And then we're just going to fill this with all of that yummy mixture for them. Push it right down into the cone. You might get a bit on your hands. Just really squash it in there. I'm going to use my hands actually to really make sure it's gone right inside the cone. The birds are just going to love picking all this out. There we go. I've really coated the whole cone. There we go. So that's what it's looking like at the moment. And now I'm going to do the next one. So again, I'm going to tie my string around the top of the cone. There we go. And now I'm just going to use my hands and I'm just going to push it all the way inside the cone. go. This is probably a little bit better as well than buying the fat balls from the shop, because you don't get those little green plastic cases that can actually be damaging to wildlife. It's all getting a little bit slippy with all this fat. Okay, so 1 pack of lard goes quite a way. You could do quite a few of those small ones with 1 pack of lard. I can't wait to see what birds we have come into the garden with these hanging about. There we go. Make sure you push it right down inside the cone. There we go. Okay, because it's a nice and cold outside, these aren't going to melt. Don't hang them in a direct sunshine. So obviously it wouldn't work in the summer, it is really just for the winter months. Alright, well there we go. There's my second cone. So there you go, I hope you'll have a go at making these for the little birds in your garden. When you finish your cone bird feeders, you can hang them just outside one of your windows, and you can also hang them in a tree in your garden. So there you go, all ready for the birds to come and feed all winter. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.